Hi, I'm Tyja Brown from Abilene High Kathy chapter, and today I'm going to be presenting the life cycle of a pumpkin. To start off, I'll be reading the book Pumpkin Jack to the students. I chose this book because it shows the life cycle of a pumpkin in a real-time format, and it's more realistic to the kids so they can see what actually goes through, what happens throughout the seasons. So to start off on the book, he is going to be carving a pumpkin out, his first pumpkin, and then he puts it outside and he goes to visit it every day. His pumpkin begins to change as the days begin to get colder. It starts to rot, and then the seasons begin to change. Now it's winter time. His pumpkin's still kind of there. Now, after all the snow melts, he goes back to visit to see what his pumpkin is now, and he finds seeds, which would be the first cycle of a life, the pumpkin cycle. And then he continues to go back, and then he finds the sprout. And then he continues to visit it, he waters it, make sure it gets enough sunlight, and then it begins to grow plant. At this time, he doesn't know what's growing, but he's still just going back to check and see. Now he's starting to kind of get an idea that it's a pumpkin, so he's getting excited. The seasons are beginning to change again. It's getting colder outside again for fall. And then his pumpkins are ripe and ready. He shares all the pumpkins he grew in his patch with the kids in the neighborhood. And then he carves his pumpkin. And that just shows kind of the cycle, because at the beginning of the story, he also carved a pumpkin. And out of that pumpkin grew multiple pumpkins, and now he has it again. So after I'm done reading the book to the students, we will, as a class, begin to go over the cycles. We'll put it together. We'll go step by step. I'll ask the kids some questions. Now, after we're done with our whole class discussion, I will be setting this up as a station around the room. And the kids will be able to go in small groups to the station and be able to put together the life cycle on their own. I chose to do pictures and the word just so the kids can relate the word to the picture if they're visual learners. Also, when they're putting the puzzle together in their small activities, if they just want to put the pictures with the steps, they can do that. If they just want to use the word, they can also do that. Or they can do it how I put it together, which is the word, the picture. And that is the life cycle of a pumpkin, and thank you for your time.